Hello and welcome to this edition of Hit Your Mark Media, where we're going to be showing you how to transfer emails out of BombBomb into another mail client. Today we're going to be doing Constant Contact, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and log into these accounts through LastPass. So go into your LastPass account, find BombBomb, just type it in, blah, blah, blah. There it is. Launch it, make sure it's the right one. Yes, if it's for my account, then there you go. Bingo. Constant Contact, boom, right one, launch it. Okay, very simple to do through LastPass. Don't even need to have passwords. It's just a shared permission. Okay, once you're in BombBomb, come on over to emails. Find the email that you want to send. In this case, we're doing one for Connoisseur Online. So what we're going to do is wait for it to load. Come in here, hit edit. It's always good to hit the preview button just to make sure everything's working, which I've already done, so everything's working on this email. In this bottom right corner, there's this little button that says Show Source. See that right there? Show Source. Click that. That shows me all the HTML source. I'm just going to Control A, Control C. I just copied that to my clipboard. Let's go back and hit Show Editor. Okay, that's that. Now here in Constant Contact, you can see how valuable it is for us to do these custom emails in BombBomb, design them there, throw them over here. We might at some point design them straight here in Constant Contact, but we also use them for other purposes out of BombBomb. So I kind of like this workflow right now. But you can see that tremendous success rate, far better than any of these other ones. These were just standard kind of like push out emails, spam emails is what I would say. But going out from this account, we created this custom one, and look at that click rate in particular. Incredible. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to hit create. We're going to do send an email. Constant Contact has done a number of great changes recently. Now what we're going to do from here is custom code. Alright, custom code over in this section. Click that. Let's go ahead and name this January 26. Let's say 1st January 29 auction catalog email. This is just for our nomenclature purposes. Hit next on this. We're going to do HTML. Hit next on this. Enter the subject here. Alright, so this is where we're going to say original art let's find some other good highlight things. How about jewels? Jewels. How about the, let's try to highlight that revolver specifically here. So what are we going to call that revolver? Just take a quick look. 1860 Colt. Let's just go like that. Bronzes. And this is actually the most important part about sending an email. Absolutely the most important part. This is what helps us to more in the catalog. Auction this Sunday, January 29 at 4 p.m. From Rob White, that's fine. And this is from emails, that's fine. We might change that here in the near future to Connoisseur, but the branding, everyone on this email list is used to this right now. Permission reminders off, web page version, all that's fine. yes, we want to include a link to view the web page version of this email because some people have trouble opening HTML. They prefer plain text, so you definitely want to do that. Yep, that's fine. That's what it's going to say. Let's go here to personalization. So we personalize it. Hello. First name. Or greetings. So if we don't have a first name populated, it's going to populate the greetings there in its place. That's great. Message footer should be standard. Yeah, just leave that alone. All that's fine. Now we're going to come into Advanced Editor. This is where we're going to actually drop in that HTML text that we had. So we still have that on our clipboard. And there's something that's important to notice here. We've got the end HTML, we've got the body. Here's the okay, there we go. Let's do it right here. So if your HTML code does not include HTML head and body tags, paste your HTML code between the start and end comments. So let's paste that here. Yeah, and that would be that greeting code right there. So they actually changed it since I did this last time, but yeah, that's actually simpler. Not a problem. That makes it easy. Start and end, just drop it in like so. Check this out, blah, 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 and you can take this out. These are just, I'm not even sure that's going to actually come through. It's just a notice here. So let's preview it. System blocker, so we're going to click here, see what that looks like. I trouble reading this email, click here, hello Rob. Original art, there's the title, Rob Partners, Connoisseur Online, blah, 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 blah. Just now noticing that that's on the full bar. It's okay, it's not a big deal. Looks great, I love it. There's the bottom, it's awesome. So we're going to close that. We're set, we're ready to go with this. Everything is as desired. So now we're going to go ahead and hit save and next. Now the email list section is going to be the most challenging section, only because for this you're actually going to have to open up a second constant contact. This will be the easiest way to do this. Just log in, should already log in because I'm logging in the other window. What I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to go ahead and where's my tracking? Probably looking right at it. Details, I guess. That would be my tracking. There you go. All right, yeah. Go to details, and you can see that list right here. So we want to send it to friends, July 31. I'm going to actually move this into a separate window right now, so it's easy for me to look back and forth. Open up this email tab. So friends, there it is. Let's go ahead and add another one here, or we can select it from here. So what we're going to do is July 31, best auction file, new contacts, May 2016, November 1, 2015, live auctioneers. And live auctioneers buyers right there, Rob Partner customers. Right there, October, November 16. Right there. 2017 customer list should be up here. Auctioneers right there. Oh, there we go. Select it. Buyer from January 19. Guests. Valuable contacts. Current customers. 11/16. So one thing we're going to do once we take over this portal a bit more and I talk with Rob Partners a bit more is we're going to go ahead and end up cleaning up these lists. This is not necessary to have it this segmented, at least not anymore, so these need to be kind of regrouped. List management is the key to successful email campaigns. It really, really is. The other one that we will be adding as time goes on, potentially, although I'm not sure it's completely necessary because all of our contacts are coming in from valuable contacts right now, so we add those in here to this list of valuable contacts. But there is one, yeah, it's empty, so there's nothing here but auction flex, and so there's nothing there, so we're not going to worry about that right now. So go ahead and hit save on that. You can see it populated all up there. Let's hit our next button. We're going to send it now. This one we're going to send now. No need to send an email, it's fine. Let's go ahead and let's turn this to finish. Email's ready to launch. Great, awesome. So that's all set, ready to go. Preview and test it one last time just to make sure nothing got missed. Yep, it looks great. So in the works, ready to rock and roll. Out of here. That's how you transfer from one client to another client, so that you can always design straight from BombBomb. Same thing works for HubSpot or really any other email client worth its salt. All of them have that HTML custom code block to just drop right in. All right, until next time, aim high, aim straight, and always hit your mark.